y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an after dark clean with me. I'm going to be cleaning the kitchen and breakfast area. It's after dinner, so it's not quite dark outside, but it's getting there. And so I'm just going to clean up this big mess that we have after dinner. If you're new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy cleaning videos. So the first thing that I always like to do is clear off the dining room or the breakfast area table, because a lot of times if I clean the kitchen first, I'll forget about some of the cups or things that are left on the breakfast table. And usually I unload the dishwasher in the mornings, but I have been doing CrossFit lately, and as you can tell, I didn't get to that this morning. So I've got to figure out that routine. But it was a very busy day on this particular day. So usually I do unload in the mornings, and then that way I can kind of load my dishwasher throughout the day as we use dishes. But I'm just going to unload and then load it up with the dishes from the day and from dinner. Y'all let me know down in the comments below if you are the type of person that has to have a certain cleaning routine, or if you're just winging it day by day. I love to hear your different personalities and all the things that work for you.
Hey, you're good at making me lose my mind, but I always come around, don't I? And I know sometimes I'm bringing you down, but I always make you smile, don't I? We're like the waves on a big blue stormy sea, but still you're the one who brings out the best in me. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, it's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again, you and me. Ooh, baby, you and me. There's no one else who can make me feel like I can do anything I dream of but you. We can fight all day and make love at night.
Now I'm just rinsing out these water bottles, and if you're looking for some cheap water bottles, if your kids are like mine and lose theirs all the time, I got these for 98 cents each from Walmart, so go check those out. And then I'm going to wash whatever dishes need to be washed by hand, and I use the Mrs. Meyer's soap, and this is the apple cider scent, so it's one of the fall scents, but I know that they're going to have all of the Christmas scents coming out soon.
It's never getting boring when we keep aiming for the stars, just you and me. Ooh, we always get back up again, you and me. You and me, baby, you and me.
So I think I tell y'all this all the time, that this is my favorite part of cleaning the kitchen, is cleaning out my sink.
Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, and then we always get back up again. We're a little messed up, baby, kinda up and down, and we keep falling till we hit the ground, but then we get back up again. Yeah, we're a little messed up, baby.
So tonight I'm opening this e-cloth, and it's the kitchen cleaning with 2 cloths. So it's got one that you use with water and you wipe down the surfaces or your appliances, and then you use the other one it's the polish and shine, so you will dry it off with that. But e-cloth has tons of different products on their website, so I have a link to that below, but I also know that they have several e-cloths on the Grove Collaborative website too, which is where I got these particular ones. So here on the breakfast table, I'm using the regular multi-purpose e-cloth, and then I used a regular dry rag to just wipe it down afterwards to dry it off before I put my cutting board on there. And then on the appliances, I will be using the kitchen e-cloths. But before I start on the appliances, I'm going to go ahead and clean off the stove top because it's pretty messy, and I'm just using the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray, and this one is in the honeysuckle scent, and that's my absolute favorite scent from Mrs. Meyer's products ever. Okay, so here I'm going to wet my kitchen e-cloth, just get it nice and wet and wring it out, and then I'm going to wipe down the appliances, and then right after I wipe them down with that particular cloth, I'll go behind it with the polishing cloth to make it shine and kind of dry it off. Now I'm going to use the Daily Granite Cleaner that is by Method, and I'm going to clean off my granite countertops, and then I will use the Daily Wood Cleaner for my wood countertops. But I get all of my cleaning products from Grove Collaborative. I know I tell you guys this all the time, but that's because I absolutely love this company. They send free goodies all the time, and if you've never tried them, then you can actually use the link that's in my description box, and it will give you access to some free products from Mrs. Meyer's. So definitely go check those out if you're interested in getting yourself some really good cleaning products that will make you at least love cleaning a little bit more. Now I'm going to use my Dyson V7. I got this Dyson back in March, and I do have this linked in my Amazon store, as well as my mop and a bunch of other cleaning products and things around my house are linked in my Amazon store, so that link is down below as well. But I'm going to vacuum, and then my floors, especially in the kitchen area, were in desperate need of mopping, so I decided to go ahead and mop tonight and get it out of the way so I didn't have to do it when I clean the rest of the house tomorrow. It'll already be done. So I use a Bona mop, and I do love this. I'm looking at getting an e-cloth mop just because it looks like it would be so much easier. It's the same sort of style, except it's like the regular e-cloths where all you have to do is wet the cloth that goes on the bottom of the mop to clean your floors. And with the Bona mop, it's pretty easy too. I just have to buy the Bona mop floor cleaner, which is what I use on my wood floors. And I do like it. I feel like it smells really good. It gets it nice and clean. But can you imagine the amount of money you would save by just using water on the e-cloth mops? I know the mop is, I think, a little bit more expensive maybe. I don't know. I have to check that out. But I definitely want to invest in one of those in the near future. want to do is just take out the trash, and usually Chance does this. Love him. This is one of his little things that he does all the time. But I decided since he was helping me out with the kids, I would go ahead and take the trash out so it didn't overflow after I had just got done cleaning. And that's all the cleaning I'm going to do for tonight. I hope this video was encouraging and motivating to get you guys off your feet and get some things done. If you do get some things done today off your to-do list, definitely let me know, whether it's cleaning or anything else. I love hearing what you guys are up to. And if you're new, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on Instagram too. I love hanging out with y'all over there. And give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!